What we have in our hands today is the Vivo IQ00 gaming phone, which was announced yesterday in China, and here it is on display at MWC China at Vivo's booth. It is a pretty impressive phone. It has a Snapdragon 855 along with a 12GB RAM and 256GB of storage. On top of that, there is a liquid cooling system that carries the heat away from the processor and vents it out the back and the bottom side. It also has a triple camera setup and a display that is almost bezel-less, save for this water drop notch. The stock wallpaper is designed rather cleverly as it hides the notch very well. You can't even see it at first glance, but if you open any other app or any other screen, it becomes apparent. Thankfully, the notch isn't too big and the rest of the bezels are also pretty narrow. This is quite the gaming phone as it has pressure sensitive areas here and here that you can map for any button. For example, if you're playing PUBG, you can use these pressure sensitive buttons to aim and shoot, just like on the ROG phone. Apart from that, there is also a 4000 mAh battery here that charges using a 44 watt Vivo flash charge system. Vivo claims that this can charge the phone from 0 to 100 in about 30 minutes flat. 44 watts is pretty high. On the back is a triple camera setup which we will go through in a bit. There is a 12 megapixel primary camera along with a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera and a third camera which is a 2 megapixel unit acting as a depth sensor. Apart from that, the design on the back is simply gorgeous. It looks cool, has a gaming vibe, and especially these reflections and stripes that become more visible depending on how the light hits it. The IQ has a lot of gaming DNA in it, but how good it is as a gaming phone is something we will find out only once we've put it through our exhaustive suite of tests. We asked the Vivo executives about a potential India launch, but they did not give us any details about that. We do hope, however, that the phone comes to India soon, seeing how the gaming phone market in India is currently growing. So thank you guys for watching this video, and in case you liked it, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button on our channel and stay tuned for more coverage from MWC China. Thank you guys for watching.
For the latest technology updates, subscribe to Digit.in and don't forget to hit the bell icon.